This is a Volvo Key, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the battery. So first things first, you see this little tab right here that slides down, and you take this out. Then take a small screwdriver or something and slide that down, and you'll see, let me see if I can do this, like in there like this, and then you should be able to crack it open like that. And then just continue to open it up, and you'll see the batteries on, they just fall out. So these batteries are CR2430s. You can buy them on Amazon in a pack of 5. I already used 2, and you know, they come like this. Now the key is, there's like a little diagram right here. You put one face down like this with the positive upwards. Then you put this little spacer in between like this, and you put the positive side down this way so the negative side is up like this. And then you basically just close it, and you're all set. And then put this key back in, and you're good to go. Smash that like button. Check out this video right here next.